Well, hello again, everybody. This is Joe with Bug Weed Mart with our tip of the month. And as we get ready for spring, want to think about a few things to keep those crawling and four-legged friends away. Let's keep our trash covered outside. Let's not have anything surrounding the house, so dead branches, firewood, pallets of lumber, piles of you-know-what. Let's clear those as much as we can or get rid of them, but if not, move them away from the house. But also, we have a few products in case you have those critters getting into things. If you find a roach problem, there are a few safe, completely organic items that you can spray from the original pyrethrin chemical that comes from flowers and chrysanthemums, actually. And these products can be sprayed to eradicate roaches in your cabinets. Also, if you are doing your pest barriers from us and they're working great, but you still want to spray something really safe inside that also smells great, we've got a product that works fabulously for that. And lastly, if you've got four-legged friends, be it rabbits, cats, stray dogs, etc., we do have some safe, armory-registered organic products that are repellents that won't hurt any plants or flowers, but will keep those pets from wanting to be there. Come on in and see us, we'll tell you all about it.